Liam Lemon, Liam Lemon and his views. Liam Lemon, Liam Lemon and his views. Oh yes, it's Liam Lemon, Liam Lemon and his views. Liam Lemon, Liam Lemon and his views.
Hello, and welcome to Liam Lemon's Views. You may not know this, but two were arrested after a pub explosion. Sub-explosion. It's a bit strange, I think, because submarines explode all the time. In wars and stuff. Wait a minute, that doesn't say sub. It says pub. Two arrested in a pub explosion? Oh, well that makes the whole thing a little bit different, doesn't it?